So first of all, we have to write the multiples of 3, 6 and 12 because 3, 6 and 12 is a what? It's a denominator. So we have to write a multiple. So 3, 6, 9, 10, sorry, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. We will write up to this much and let's write the multiple of 6, 6, 12 means table of 6, okay, and 12 and table of 12. Now we have to find out the which one is the least means smallest common multiple. Which one is the smallest common multiple out of these three numbers? So this we can see here this 12, here also 12 and here also 12. Means these 12s are the common multiples of this denominator. Now see. Now what we have to do? 2 by 3. So we have to make the denominator 12. Yes or no? So how many times is equal to 12 in table of 3? That is 4. So we will multiply 2 also by 4. Same in table of 6. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 and also 1 multiplied by 2 is also 12. Now here table of in table of 12 1 times, so 12 1 the 12 and 4 1 the 4. Now the answer is 8 by 12, 6 sorry 2 by 12 and 4 by 12. Now we can find out easily which one is the smaller and which one is the greatest. Yes or no? So now here we can arrange the number according to that. So first is ascending small to big 2 by 12, 4 by 12 and 8 by 12 and descending 1 by 6, 4 by 6 then 2 by 6. Got it? So in this way we can arrange the number here as you can see here descending order big to small and here ascending order small to big. Got it children? And we will write the real number, not this the question, not the answer we will write, but we will write the real number. As you can see here 2 by 6 is equal to what? 2 by 2 by 6 2 by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 we are writing here. 4 by 12 is 4 by 12 and 8 by 12 that is 2 by 3. So we are writing here 2 by 3 the number. Got it? So let's do our exercise. So question number 2, that is arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So question number A. So the question number A is 3 by 5, 1 by 2 and 3 by 10. Now see the denominator. All the denominators are not same. That means this fraction is not in a like fraction. So we need to convert it into a like fraction. So first we will write the multiples of 5, 2 and 10. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Then multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Then multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30. Now here we need to find out the least, the smallest common multiple out of this table. So here we can see that here is also 10, here is also 10 and here is also 10. That means our LCM is equal to 10. Now we have to make the all the denominators that is 10. So 3 by 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 10 because we have to make the denominator 10. So 2, 2, 2 3 is 6. Now 1 by 2 multiplied by dash equal to 10 because we have to make the denominator 10. So 2 5 is 2 5 is 10. So 5 1 is 5. And the next one is 3 by 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 10. So 10 1 is 3 1 is. So what is the fraction? 6 by 10, then 5 by 10, then 3 by 10. Now, here we have to arrange this into a ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So now, which one is the smallest? 3, 6, 5, or 3? So 3. So 3 by 10, then 5 by 10, then 6 by 10 equal. Now 3 by 10 is 3 by 10. Now we will add the real number. Then 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then 6 by 10 means 3 by 5. 3 by. Got it? So in this way we will solve the problem. So first we will find out the least common multiples. So table of 5, then table of 2, then table of 10. So now here we have to find out the which one is the common out of these three. So 10 is the smallest one. Yes or no? 10 is the smallest one. So we wrote here LCM 10. Now we need to make the denominator everywhere 10, 10, 10 to convert it into like fraction. So I am converting here like fraction as you can see here. So now this is a like fraction 6 by 10, 5 by 10, 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 is smaller than 5 by 10, then 6 by 10. Now what is the real number? Means what is the quotients? So we have to make the quotient in ascending order. So 3 by 10 is represent is 3 by 10. Then 1 by 2, sorry, 5 by 10 is represented by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 6 by 10 is represented by 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. Now this is the. Got it everyone? Now. So the question is 7 by 12, 5 by 6 and 1 by 4. So this fraction is also not in a like fraction. So we need to convert it into like fraction. So we will write the multiples of means table of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 42. Then multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now see here which one is the least common, okay, least common one. So as we can see here this 12, this 12, this 12. So LCM is 12. So here we have to convert all the denominator into a 12 except this is already in 12. So here also and here also. Now how to convert? So first you write it 7 by 12 multiplied dash is equal to by 12. Now in table of 12 how many times is equal to 12? One time. So 1 1. So 7 minus 7. Now here 6, sorry, 5 by 6 multiplied dash equal to 12 because denominator we have to make 12. So 6 2 is 12, here also 2, so 2 5 is 10. Now 1 by 4 multiplied, that is dash dash equal to 12. So 4 3 is 12, so 3 here. So now the fractions is 7 by 12, 7 by 12, then 10 by 12, then 3 by 12. Now see all these fractions are in like fraction because denominators are same. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So 3 by 12 we will use the symbol is smaller than 7 by 12 is smaller than 10 by 12. Now see this 3 by 12 is represented by, so where is 3 by 12 is equal to, yes, 1 by 4. Then 7 by 12 is 7 by 12. Then 10 by 12 is 5 by 6. Okay. So in this way we will arrange the number. And number C you tried it. Okay. Now let's do question number 3. So arrange the fraction in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Here also same we will do. Let's do it. All the process are same. So number A, 1 by 10, 4 by 5 and 6 by 20. Same. Just we need to change the fraction into convert into a like fraction. So let's first write the multiples. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Just up to 4 I am writing. If we need we will write more. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. Then multiples of 20 are 20, 50, 60 and 80. Now see the common one. Which one is the common? Yes, you can see here. Here see the common. 40 is here, 40 is here, but 40 is not there in table of 5. So we can write it here up to 40, but we need to check the smallest one. So the smallest, the first one is 20, 20 and here also 20. That means our LCM is 20. Okay, LCM is 20. Now we need to make all the denominator 20. So how we will make? 1 by 10 multiplied dash is equal to 20, means denominator is 20. So 10 times 2 is equal to 20. So here also 2. Then this is now 4 by 5 multiplied dash is equal to 20. 5 for the 20. Here also 4. 4 for the 16. Then 6 by 20, that is equal to 21. 1, that is 6. Now write down the fraction. 2 by 20, 16 by 20, then 6 by 20. Now what we have to do? Now here we have to write in the what? Descending order is big to small. So which one is the bigger? 16 by 20, then 6 by 20, then 2 by 20. Now we have to write the real number, means what is the actual question. So 16 by 20 is represented by 4 by 5. Then 6 by 20 is represented by 6 by 20. Then 2 by 20 is represented by 2 by 20 is represented by, see here, 2 by 20, that is 1 by 10. So in this way we will do. Now, so number C. I am not doing number B, I will do number C. So 2 by 9, 5 by 6 and 7 by 18. Now here this fraction is also not in a like fraction. So we need to make a like fraction. So multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36. I'm writing up to 4 only. Then multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, then 54. Okay, I'm writing up to this much. Now let's see the which one is the common one. So here 18, 18 and here also 18. So LCM is equal to 18. Now here we make 2 by 9 multiplied dash is equal to 18. So 922, so 2 2s are 4. Here also again 5 5 by 6 multiplied dash is equal to dash by 18. So 6 3 is 18 here also. Here 15, then 7 by 18 multiplied dash is equal to dash by 18. 18 1 is 18. Now write down the fraction 4 by 18, then 15 by 18, then 7 by 18. Now see which one is the bigger. So 15 by 18, then 7 by 18, then 4 by 18. Now we will write the actual. So 4 15 by 18. See where is 15 by 18? Yes, that means 5 by 6. Then 7 by 18. That is 7 by 18. Then last one is 2 by 9 because 4 by 18 is represented by 2 by 9. So in this way we will solve this. Okay, children. So you do practice at home. Okay. Thank you everyone.